In addition to these 3 key steps to naturalness, who is this for? It's actually a cure-all, meaning it's for anybody whatsoever with any kind of hair situation. Here's the reason why. It's based on openings, density, and on area. Here's what I mean. The microstrand comes in different size openings. One area that might need 50% hair will do a certain opening, and another area that might need 80% hair will do a smaller opening. Another area that might need a little bit of hair, we might do a much larger opening. That's number 1. Number 2, each opening, each diamond opening comes in different densities. A 25% density, a 50% density, a 75% density, 100% density, 125% density, 150% density. So we control the opening by the amount of hair that you're contributing through the opening, and then we control the density per each diamond opening to give you more or less hair in each area to accommodate the exact results that you want. And lastly, where do you add hair? Look at this. We could add hair in any area of the top. A larger area at the top, a semi-area size in the top, a small area on the top. We could add hair just in the front hairline. We could add hair just in the back. We could add hair along the entire bottom perimeter if you just want length. We could add hair on the top and the sides. Or we could add hair all over. The combinations of this means there are thousands of different ways to customize this for each individual, no matter what their hair situation is. So I hope that was helpful, and I wish you the very best.